Car paint sprayers provide smooth, even finishes, reduce overspray, save time and paint, and deliver professional quality automotive repairs and refinishing. My today's video is about top 5 best car paint sprayers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AeroPro Car Paint Gun Sprayer. The A610 R500 LVLP spray gun is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional painters looking for smooth, efficient paint application. Its upgraded Teflon-coated body is both wear-resistant and easy to clean, helping the gun maintain a fresh appearance even after repeated use. Thanks to its LVLP technology, it operates with low air consumption, 3.0 to 3.9 CFM, and moderate pressure, delivering a fine, even finish while significantly reducing overspray compared to traditional HVLP spray guns. The included 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, and 1.7 mm nozzle sets provide excellent versatility for applying primers, varnishes, base coats, and clear coats on different surfaces. A 65% paint utilization rate and wide spray pattern help complete jobs faster while minimizing paint waste. The two-stage trigger design makes operation more comfortable by reducing hand fatigue during extended projects. Built with a durable stainless steel nozzle and needle, plus a corrosion-resistant 600 cubic centimeters P paint cup, this spray gun is designed for long-lasting performance. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-use spray gun that offers professional quality results at an excellent value. Now our second product is Ino-Craft Paint Gun for Cars and House. The Drizzle D1 LVLP spray paint gun is an excellent option for beginners and experienced painters who want professional quality results without a steep learning curve. Designed with clearly marked adjustment scales and easy-to-follow instructions, it makes setup and operation quick and straightforward. The included quick start guide and tutorial resources help users get painting with confidence. This all-in-one kit comes with essential accessories such as a pressure regulator, oil-water separator, and multiple nozzle sizes, so you can begin your projects immediately without purchasing extra components. Its LVLP technology delivers fine paint atomization with high transfer efficiency, producing a smooth, even finish while reducing overspray and paint waste. This makes it ideal for automotive refinishing, furniture restoration, home improvement, and various DIY projects. Built with a one-piece forged aluminum body and durable Teflon coating, the D1 is made to withstand regular use while remaining easy to clean after each job. Overall, the Drizzle D1 combines durability, convenience, and impressive spraying performance, making it a reliable spray gun for achieving consistent, professional-looking finishes. Our third product is Nanway Cordless Paint Sprayer. The Nanway 40,000 revolutions per minute cordless HVLP paint sprayer is a powerful and convenient solution for anyone tackling home improvement or professional painting projects. Its high-performance motor delivers fine atomization for a smooth, even finish while covering large areas quickly. The generous 1,200 ml paint container reduces refill interruptions, making it ideal for fences, walls, ceilings, and furniture. One of its biggest advantages is the cordless design, powered by 220V 4.0 lithium-ion batteries that provide extended runtime and unrestricted movement. With 4 interchangeable nozzle sizes and 3 adjustable spray patterns, it adapts easily to different paint types and project requirements, from detailed crafts to large outdoor surfaces. Supporting coatings up to 80 DANS viscosity, this sprayer works well with water-based paints, oil-based paints, varnishes, and enamels. The included accessories such as extra filters, cleaning tools, funnel, charger, and multiple nozzles make setup and maintenance simple. Overall, the Nanway Cordless Paint Sprayer combines power, versatility. Now number 4, Etolmax Cordless Paint Sprayers. This cordless paint sprayer is a practical and versatile tool for DIY users and homeowners looking for smooth, professional quality finishes. It features 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, making it easy to paint everything from large walls and ceilings to furniture in tight corners with precision. The dual battery design is a major advantage, eliminating the need for extension cords while providing extended runtime. With two 3000 mAh batteries included, you can complete medium to large painting jobs with fewer interruptions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Its adjustable flow control allows you to fine-tune paint output for different surfaces and coating types, reducing overspray and minimizing paint waste. The sprayer works well with both water-based and oil-based paints, making it suitable for home renovations, furniture refinishing, and even automotive touch-ups. Regular cleaning after use is essential to maintain peak performance and prevent nozzle clogging, and the recommended rinse cycle makes maintenance simple. Overall, this cordless paint sprayer offers excellent portability, flexibility, and reliable performance, making it a valuable addition to any DIY toolkit. And our last choice is Tilswall Car Paint Sprayer. The Tilswall electric paint sprayer is a user-friendly option that makes painting projects faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Designed for both beginners and experienced DIYers, it provides smooth, even coverage on surfaces such as furniture, fences, walls, wood, and metal with minimal effort. The sprayer includes 3 interchangeable nozzle sizes, 1.3 mm, 1.8 mm, and 2.6 mm, and 3 spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular, allowing you to match the setup to different paint types and project requirements. Whether you're applying thin varnishes or thicker latex and chalk paints, it offers excellent flexibility for a wide range of tasks. For the best results, it's important to thin paint according to the recommended viscosity and tighten the trigger screw before use to prevent air leaks. Cleaning the sprayer within 15 minutes after each session helps prevent clogs and extends the tool's lifespan. Backed by responsive 24/7 customer support and replacement parts when needed, the Tilswall paint sprayer delivers reliable performance, convenient operation, and professional-looking finishes, making it a great addition to any DIY painting toolkit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.